All right, welcome back, guys. This is your first time joining the channel. I'm David. This is Adventures Foreign and Domestic, and today we're in Anza Borrego, California. We've just arrived at our campsite. Gonna have a look around. Let's go. All right, so check it out. This is Dan's rig. Got a good spot, Dan. Right on the hill.
I like it because when we wake up in the morning, I could just look over and see the whole this stuff.
That's good. Yeah, right when you wake up, you're gonna see the sun coming up over this mountain, actually behind us, but it's gonna illuminate the entire valley below. It's gonna be nice. All right, cool. I'm gonna go for a little hike, and we're gonna see if we can get on top of this canyon and overlook the campsite. Let's go check it out. Oh. Well, I think I can make it up here. This looks like somewhat of a walkway, right? Wow, I made it. This view up here is amazing. Cool, let's keep going. Wow. This is awesome. So it's just time to relax. About 3 hours here from Orange County. This is located in San Diego County, just north of Mexico. And it's about, yeah, like I said, like a 3 or 4 hour drive south of Orange County. I'll put the Google Maps link in the description though. They said there were some coyotes here last night by the campsite, so we'll have to wait and see. Here's my accommodation for the night. All right, good morning. Good morning from Anza Borrego. A little bit windy last night. Wind was whipping around. But everybody's getting ready today. We're going for another hike to a new location. So let's go get breakfast first. Yeah, so every day begins with a good breakfast. We got our camp chef over here. What are you working on?
It's ready for the eggs.
Oh, nice. So we got bacon, onions. Now we're gonna put some eggs in there. And actually, he is also, this guy is the man with the plan. He's right. He's charted our route. Where are we heading to today?
So today we're going to there's a little spring with a bunch of green vegetation. It's called Desert Springs. Then we're going to Arroyo Mud Caves. It's like mud caves under the ground. You can
very cool.
go in 1 mile into the earth. You have to bring your headlamps because it's super dark there. And after that, we're going to this lookout point below Diablo Drop-Off. But Diablo Drop-Off is a really technical off-road obstacle.
That's why guys are airing down, right?
Yeah. That you need 4-wheel drive to get through.
Yeah, so you're gonna need 4-wheel drive for this last stretch. Cool, so we'll pick it up there. We're gonna have some breakfast soon.
Eggs are going in.
Yep, kids are awake, everyone's ready to go. I'm excited. Stay tuned. All right, so we reached the first stop. We're heading to go to the springs, right? All right, we're beginning our hikes. There's a group back there. You guys ready for this? All right, so yeah, the hike begins now. I'm here with a good buddy of mine.
Black Sheep Odyssey.
I'll put his Instagram link in the description.
Thank you. And we're heading to
the springs. Getting closer. I think there's gonna be some water over here back in the canyon. Trail's getting a little bit more difficult now. Wow. Vegetation is changing. Oh, in the middle of the desert, you guys. avenue of trees right here. Looks like they caught on fire too recently. The bark's charred. Interesting. Yeah, it's weird. You see it's all dry all the way around here, and then there's this area of vegetation, so there must be water close by. And that's where we're supposedly heading to. We're heading towards the springs. I don't hear the water yet. Let's see when we get closer.
We got burned out. We went there for 2 years.
Here we go. Up and over the hill, guys.
I know.
Whoa.
Right. There's nowhere.
That's why I love the desert.
I'm up this hill now.
Cooler here.
I keep saying we're almost there, but I think we are almost there this time. A lot more trees. It's really shady back in this canyon, though. It provides much needed relief.
There you go.
All right, let's go.
You want to get your...
No, hide it in the back.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we caught up with the group finally, right? Oh, he's got a beer waiting right there,
Oh,
too.
you got extra one? Okay. No, is that berry?
Sweet.
Berry, did you have yours?
Much needed relief, but
Mine's at the back of the store.
Okay.
Here.
Then give it to Sarah.
cheers. All right, guys.
Make it more exciting.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, what do you got to do? You gotta hit what? Hit
I
the
can't have the kids see this.
hit the subscribe button and also hit your thumbs up.
You guys want to do
See you in the next one.